give us the biography of Eze H.N. Ohazilike O.O.N. Thank you.
Thank you very much, MC. I'm Prince Chimeze Frederick Ohazilike. I'm here to talk about my father's biography, which I know so many of you actually know about. If there be anything good to talk about Igwe II, as the Ndigbo of Lagos State, everybody certainly will know that he's a man of service. Igwe believes in serving. He equally believes that Naka Jaja he doesn't like taking class. Anybody sitting here that knows you will know what I just said is the truth. He is a very great man. Very great man. He's a leader that shows by example. Honestly, I don't know. I really don't know how I feel. There is no more here with us. He's a wonderful man, honestly. He's a father. Father to many, to his children. Ndigbo believes in unity. Yes. He for once at least taught me that. He believes strongly in unity. He didn't start like we used to read a book, a man born with a silver spoon. Oh, no.
Who the second one, girl?
He believes there's dignity in labor.
Okay.
He walks his way through all. If you ever had a lot of young people, boy, when you come and hear somebody, boy, talk about food in the man, who's there, he's a great man. I'm actually pleased that we are not here gathered to actually hear about this man. He did good. He did very good. I don't know what more we can do if not as we gather here to honor him and to thank him for actually doing what is required of him, even while he held the position to believe in unity. He strongly believes in unity. He believes in love. Selfless leadership. He has always encouraged you to continue with that. Yes, he does. Honestly, I'm so overwhelmed. I'm speaking from heart. I don't even know what to say. Because most words that will actually fall off my mouth are things that many of you can attest to. He labored, and I pray that all of us that he has touched will continue with his legacy. Family, unity, love, selflessness, what more then can we ask?
Thank you.
If not to actually bid him safe journey to the world hereafter in good speed. You are all welcome. We all try and excellence in his good deeds. He has actually left huge footsteps